Hi, this is Vera Reddy, lecturer in computer science, Government Degree College, Sattupalli. We have programming Java. We are discussing topic programming in Java. Learning objectives here variables. Programming Java. Learning objective is variables. Here the scope of variables, data type, symbolic constants, data type conversions, narrowing conversion, typecasting, narrowing conversion. These are all the learning objectives. First, you are watching variables. Here, variable is an identifier that denotes a storage locations used to store a data value. A variable is an identifier that stores the location used to store a data value. During the execution of a program, variable can be stored in the values can be stored in variable and the value can be changed. In Java programming, it is necessary to declare variable before being used. Here, variables are the identifiers that store location used to store a data value. During the execution of the program, value can be stored and that can be changed. The Java program is necessary to declare the variable before beginning used. Rules for declaring a variable. A variable name may consist of alphabet, digits and underscores. Only 3. The variable name may consist of alphabets, digits and underscore. They must not begin with digit. Uppercase and lowercase are different. Here, they must not begin with digit. Uppercase and lowercase are different. It should not a keyword. You have to learn the keywords later. Then space is not allowed. Variable names can be of any size in length. These rules are to declaration of a variable. Here the variable name may consist of alphabet, digit and underscore. They must not begin with digit. Uppercase and lowercase are different. It should not be a keyword. Space is not allowed. Variable name in any length. Syntax: data type variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. This is syntax. Example: int count, float average, double v1. Here given values to a variable. By given assignment statement, by using read keyword. Syntax: variable name is equal to value. Example: initial value is equal to 0, final value is equal to 10, a is equal to 90. Here given values to a variable. How to give a variable value to a variable? We have to use the assignment statement, read keyword. Here variable name is equal to value. We have to assign the value here. Initial value is equal to 0. The final value is equal to 10. A is equal to 90. Syntax: data type variable name is equal to 0. Variable data type variable name is equal to value. Example: int initial value is equal to 10. The final value is equal to int. The final value is equal to 10. This is the value given to the variable. Next one, scope of an variable. First one, instance variables, class by static variable and local variable. First one is instance variable, a non-static variable that is declared within the class but not in the method is called instance variable. Instance variables are related to a specific object. They can access class variables. They can access the class variables here. Here, scope of a variable is instance variable, a non-static variable that is declared within the class but not in the method is called instance. Declared within the class but not in the method, that is instance. Instance variables are related to the specific object. They can access class variables. They can access class variables. Class by static variables. A variable that is declared with static keyword is a class, but not in the method is called static or classic variable. Classic or static or classic by static variables are the variables that is declared with static keyword. Is a class but not in the method. It is a class but not in the method called static. The above instant is that is not a method, not in the method, just instance variable, a local variable. A variable that is declared within the method, that is called local variable. It is defined in method or other statements such as defined and used within the cache block and outside the block or method. The variable cannot be used. Here class A int amount 100 is equal to amount is equal to 100 is an instance variable. Second one, static variable. Static int pin is equal to 2315. Public static void main string args. Int age is equal to 35, then local variable. Here scope of a variable, instance variable, class by static variables, local variables. Instance variables, a non-static variable that is declared within the class but not in the method is called instance variable. Instance variables are related to the specific object. They can access class variables. Class and static variables are declared within the static keyword is a class but not in the method is called static or class variable. Local variable, a variable that is declared within the method that is called local variable. It is defined in method or other statements such as defined and used within the cache block and outside the block or method. The variable cannot be used. For example, class A int amount is equal to 100. This is instance variable, that is instantly it came from method, not in the method. Static, it is a pin, that is a static variable. Int age is equal to 35, that is a local variable. Here this is an example for the variable scope. The primitive data types in Java. Primitive means built-in data types. The built-in data types. Here first one is primitive data types. We have integer, floating point, character, boolean. Next, in the integer we have byte, short, int, long. In floating point we have float and double, char and boolean. These are all the built-in data types. First one integer, byte, short integer, byte integer, int, long, floating point, double, char and boolean. Here in the integer we have a byte, occupies 8 bit, that is equal to 1 byte, can store value in the range of -128 to 127, that is 156 values. Byte b is equal to 4. Initialization. Short occupies 16 bit, 2 bytes into 8, that is 16 bit. Can store the values in the range of -327.68 to 327.67. Short s is equal to 500. This is the declaration of short. Next, int occupies 32 bit, that is 4 bytes. Can store value in the range of -2 147, 147 483 6482 to 147 483 647. Int I is equal to 2500. Long occupies 64 bit, that is 8 bytes. Can store value in the range of, given the number here, 2 from 2 to. Long L is equal to 54,000 L here. And the floating occupies 32 bit, can store values in the range of 1.4e-45 to 3.40 28235e plus 38. Float f is equal to 24.46 f. Float f is equal to 24.46 f. Double occupies 64 bit, 8 bytes. Can store value in the range of 439e minus 324 to 1.79 and so on. Double D is equal to 2005.2355. Double D is equal to 200,005.2355. Char occupies 16 bit, 2 bytes. Char C is equal to within A with single quotes. Char C is equal to single quotes E. Boolean occupies 1 bit, stores only true or false. Boolean B is equal to true, Boolean B is equal to false. Whatever it may be, these two are the examples. The data types bit, so byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. These are the data type built-in data types. This can be revised once again later. Next one is symbolic constants. Here symbolic constant. We often use certain unique constants in a program. Constants may appear repeatedly in a number of places in a program. Symbolic name take the same form as variable name. Here the symbolic constant, we often use certain unique constant in a program. Constant may appear repeatedly in a number of places in a program. Symbolic names take the same form as variable name, but they are written in the capitals. They cannot be declared inside a method. They should be used only a class data number in the beginning of the class. Here syntax final type symbolic name value. Final int strength is equal to 100. Final int pass marks is equal to 50. Here symbolic name is strength. Here the integer strength. You can the symbolic constant, we often use certain unique constants in a program. Constant may appear repeatedly in a number of places in the program. The symbolic names like the same form as variable name. But they are written in capitals. They cannot be declared inside a method. This is the example for the symbolic constant. Next one, automatic type conversion. If a value of narrow or lower size data type converted into a value of higher size, data type without loss of information is called widening conversion. Here this is done implicitly by the JVM and also known as implicit casting. For example, an integer data type is directly converted to the double. Int a is equal to 100, double b is equal to a. system.out.println b. In the above example, integer 4 bytes converted into double 8 bytes. The adding conversion is allowing in the following cases. Here, atomic type conversion. This is the lower size and higher size value border type without loss of information. This is called adding. Byte can be converted to short, int, long, float or double. Short can be converted into int, long, float or double. Char can be converted into long, float or double. Int can be converted into long, float or double. Long can be converted into double. Float can be converted into double. Float cannot be converted into int. Automatic type conversion. Character, int, character, byte, short, int, long, float, double, byte, short, int, long, float, double. This is the automatic type conversion. Narrowing conversion. If a value of border higher size data type converted into a value of narrower lower size data type which can result in loss of information is called narrowing conversion. This is not done implicitly by the JVM and requires explicit casting. For example, double data type explicitly converted into integer. Double A is equal to 100.7. Int B is equal to int of A. System.out.println b. In above example, the double explicitly converted in B. Float into integer causes truncation of fractional part. Double to float causes rounding of digits. Long to int causes dropping of excess higher order bits. Narrowing conversion is allowed in these cases only. Short can be converted to byte or char. Char can be converted into byte or short. Int can be converted by byte, short or char. Long can be converted to byte, short or char. Float can be converted into byte, short, char, int or long. Double can be converted to byte, short, char, int, long or float. Typecast. Example program then. Here, typecasting, we often encounter situation where there is a need to store value of one type into a variable another type. The process of converting one data type into another data type called casting. Here, variable 1 is equal to type variable 2. There are instances when we want to force a type conversion in a way that is different from the atomic conversion. Example, ratio female, since female number, male number are declared as integer. The declimal part of the result of this version division would be lost of the ratio would not represent a correct result. This can be solved by converting local one of the variable of floating point. Example, ratio float female number by male number. This process of such local conversion is known as casting value. Type name expression. Here example, here x is equal to int 7.5. Action 7.5 is converted to integer by truncation. A is equal to int of 21.3 by int 4.8 evaluated as 21 by 4 and its result would be 5. B is equal to sum by n. Division is done in floating point mode. Y is equal to int a plus b. The result of a plus b is converted into integer. Z is equal to int a plus b converted into integer and then added to b. Then you may take example for class casting. Public static void main string arguments float sum int is equal int I sum is equal 0.05 for loop here I is equal to 1, I less than or is equal to 10, I plus plus sum is equal to sum plus 1 by float. System is out dot print I plus I. System dot out dot print sum is equal to plus sum. This is an example program for casting. Then thank you for watching.